My name is Peder Sidleman. I am founder and managing director of CICCI Angola. I'm Danish, but I have lived most of my life in Africa and most of that time in Angola. CICCI has been active in the Angolan market for close to 40 years in various economic fields. It was 15 years ago when we discovered HYT that we started focusing on radio communication. Some elements of this success was definitely the fact that Hytera at a very early stage agreed with CICCI to position a full-time engineer in the markets in Angola, which brought the distance from client to factory shorter and gave confidence in terms of service. Another important factor is that staff from CICCI, and not only our staff but also technicians from our main clients, went to China for training and were also trained by Chinese engineers in Angola. We also benefited from full support from Hytera's regional office in South Africa. So all this led to a reputation of good local service. Hytera name was associated to quality, innovation and service. So on this historic date, the whole team of CICCI in Angola, who has grown with Hytera, are very optimistic about the future of the Hytera brand in Angola, and we congratulate Hytera and all the individuals in Hytera who has so successfully come so far in such a short time. Buon anniversario di Angola!